beautiful people. Today I am making the best ginger shot. Cut the ginger into smaller pieces. Peel the lemon, remove the seeds, and cut into smaller pieces. In a juicer, combine the ginger and lemon. This ginger shot is perfect for mornings or anytime you need a natural energy boost. making a large batch like this one, store in an airtight container or bottle in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Shake well before using. Drink immediately for maximum potency. Use a fine mesh strainer to remove the pulp for a smoother ginger shot. This quick and powerful ginger shot is packed with nutrients to boost your immunity and digestion and give you a burst of energy. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this DIY ginger shot recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, share this video with a friend, and until next time, stay healthy.